So for my term project, I decided to do a wilderness survival game. So at the start, you can see a start screen right here, and afterwards you see an instructions screen that tells you how to play the game. Afterwards, you have the character customization screen where you can choose between either a female or a male character and the 3 different hair colors that are available. So for example, if I want to play a male with blonde hair, and there he is. And if at any time I decided to change what character I play, I can simply restart in the menu button, and that takes me back to the start screen, and maybe this time I want to play a female with black hair. There she is. And in the game you can see different objects that you can interact with. For example, these berry bushes, if you click on them, and a collect button will appear, and if you collect the berries, then they disappear. And these bushes grow back berries after a certain amount of time. Another thing you can interact with is trees, so you can collect the wood. And all the items you collect, they appear in your inventory over here. So you see that the berries we collected earlier, and you can consume these. So these automatically refill all of your missing hunger. And another thing is water, so you can also consume some water. And these are all the other objects that you can either consume or place. And so yeah, these are the status bars up on the upper left corner, which is health, hunger, and thirst. And over here at the river, we can either choose to collect some water, which automatically refills all of your water bottle. And another thing you can do is fish. So with fishing, you can control the length and the direction of the line by your mouse clicks. These fishes are randomly generated, and they all have random speeds and random directions. So sometimes if they're swimming one way, they can suddenly turn around. And after we fish, we can see that in our inventory, we have 1 fish now, which we can eat later if we choose to. And another thing to note is that in this world, you can also build certain objects. And in order to do that, you can click the build button, and it tells you all of the different things that you can build and all the different materials required for building. And if you don't have enough materials to build one of them, then you can, it automatically tells you that you are not able to build an item. So here are also some trees. And another object is grasses. So if you collect the grasses, then the grasses disappear, and these also grow back after a certain amount of time. And another option is to save your progress. So if you click save, and then maybe quit, and then rerun the program, you'll see that it puts you right where you left off. And one last thing is over here at the very end, there is a cave that you can choose to enter. However, you can only enter it without dying if you have a torch built. And if you do have a torch, then, well, you get to play another mini game, which eventually leads you to the win game scenario. So thanks for watching, and this is my term project.